Okay, before I proceed with the next video to show you how to start printing something, I just want to show you that fan there. It's the cause of all the noise. Maybe the extruder motor, I don't know, maybe the power. Oh, I'll turn it off first and you see how quiet it is. See? It's so quiet now, and look at the fan. See, the fan is missing one blade there. Why? Because I think I mistakenly put my finger here and it like broke off. Yeah, I got a little cut in my finger, I think, then back then. So yep. And then I show you the casualties, all the filament there from earlier, from cleaning, trying to clean the clog, and just loading filament, extruding filament, pausing, unpausing, and there's more here. See, that's all from the new filament roll. See that? There's like that much that we used up. Oh no. Yeah. Okay. So, oh well, that's life. See ya later.